Welcome to your science class. Today we will start chapter number 2, Transport and Excretion. You know what is transport. You learn in your previous classes that transport carries person and things from one place to another. Similarly, blood transport food and oxygen in our body from one place to another and carries carbon dioxide to the lungs. It also collects waste from all over the body and carries it to kidney. Let us learn how blood flows around the body and how kidney works. Our blood flows around the body through a system which is called circulatory system, and the blood flows around the body and how the kidneys work. The work of kidneys is done by a system which is called excretory system. You can see in this picture. Now first understand what is the circulatory system. The circulatory system is formed by the heart and the blood vessels. It helps carry blood and thus helps to transport things around the body. What is heart and where it is in our body? It is tucked between the lungs inside the hollow formed by the bones of the chest. As you can see in this picture, it is between the lungs. It tilts a little when left. When the muscles of heart contracts, blood get squeezed out of the heart, and when they relax, the heart fills up with the blood like a cotton. When you dip a cotton or a sponge in a bucket, when you pick up the sponge or the foam, when you press it, the water comes out. It means it is working like this. Now next, it is blood vessels. There are two types of blood vessels in our body. Number one, arteries and veins. Arteries carry blood from the heart to the rest of the body and lies deeper, so we cannot see them. It carries oxygenated blood. Except some places like the wrist, we can see the arteries inside the wrist. Next are veins. Veins carry deoxygenated blood from all over the part of the body to the heart. The bluish lines you see under your skin are veins. Now see how blood flows in our body. The blood carried by the veins has carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide which is collected from all over the body. The heart pumps it into the lungs. In the lungs, the blood loses carbon dioxide and picks up the oxygen. Now this oxygenated blood, which has oxygen in it, returns to the heart from the lungs, and heart pumps this blood into arteries which carries it to all part of the body. Now what is heartbeat? Every time heart contracts and squeezes out the blood into arteries, it is followed by a softer sound which is called heartbeat. Our heart beats about 70 to 80 times in a minute, and doctors use stethoscope to listen our heartbeat. You can see in this picture that veins carry deoxygenated blood to the heart. Heart pumps it into the lungs. Then lungs, here the blood loses its carbon dioxide and it pumps it to the heart again. Then heart through the arteries send this oxygenated blood to the all part of the body. Now see what is the excretory system. What is it? Excretion is the process of the getting rid of the waste from the body. Many organs help us get rid of waste. The lungs help us to throw out carbon dioxide and water vapor. Number 2, the skin help us get rid of salt and water in form of sweat. Number 3, the large intestine help us get rid of waste in form of stool. Next, the kidneys help us get rid of waste in form of urine. We generally think like this, that only kidneys work when we discuss about the excretion and excretory system, but it is false. The kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder and urethra makes up the excretion system, excretory system. You can see in this picture. Let us see how the kidneys work, what is urinary bladder. The kidneys are two bean-shaped organs which lie behind the stomach and liver in the lower back area. Blood carries waste from all over the body from the kidneys. Tiny filters inside the kidneys strain out waste from the blood. What happens now? Then the blood vessels carry clean blood from the kidneys and the waste mixed with the water in the kidney in form of urine. Now, two tubes called ureters, which comes out from the kidneys, carry urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder. When the bladder becomes full, we feel to pass the urine. Urine leaves the body through an opening called urethra. I hope you understood the chapter nicely. Goodbye. God bless you. But before leaving the class, I want to tell you one thing. Good health is something we cannot buy. So, exercise regularly. God bless you all.